I do not feel well today. I do not feel well today.
What is wrong, my dear? What is wrong, my dear?
My head is hurting very badly. My head is hurting very badly. I feel very weak and tired.
Please lie down on the bed. Please lie down on the bed.
My body feels very hot. My body feels very hot.
Let me check your temperature. Let me check your temperature.
I think I have a fever. I think I have a fever.
Yes, you have a high fever. Yes, you have a high fever.
I will call the doctor right now. I will call the doctor right now.
Hello, doctor. My wife is very sick. Hello, doctor. My wife is very sick.
She has a very high fever. She has a very high fever. Can you please come to our home?
Yeah.
Can you please come to our home? Thank you. Please come quickly. Thank you. Please come quickly.
Did you call the doctor? Did you call the doctor?
Yes, he will come very soon. Yes, he will come very soon.
Please bring me some water. Please bring me some water.
Here is some warm water for you. Here is some warm water for you.
The doctor will be here soon. The doctor will be here soon. I hear the doorbell. He is here. I hear the doorbell. He is here.
Good morning, doctor. Please come in. Good morning, doctor. Please come in.
She has had fever since last night. She has had fever since last night.
Let me check your temperature first. Let me check your temperature first. Open your mouth and say ah. Open your mouth and say ah. Your blood pressure is a little low. Your blood pressure is a little low. How long have you felt this way? How long have you felt this way?
Since yesterday evening, doctor. Since yesterday evening, doctor.
You need rest and lots of water. You need rest and lots of water. This tablet is for the fever. This tablet is for the fever. Take it 3 times every day. Take it 3 times every day. This syrup is for the cough. This syrup is for the cough. Drink 8 glasses of water daily. Drink 8 glasses of water daily.
What food should I cook for her? What food should I cook for her?
Warm soup will be very helpful. Warm soup will be very helpful.
I am going to the pharmacy now. I am going to the pharmacy now.
The pharmacy is near our house. The pharmacy is near our house.
Excuse me, I have a prescription. Excuse me, I have a prescription. My wife needs these medicines today. My wife needs these medicines today. Do you have all of these? Do you have all of these? Please put them all in a bag. Please. Put them all in a bag.
Which medicine do I take first? Which medicine do I take first?
First, take this tablet for the fever. First, take this tablet for the fever.
My head is still hurting a lot. My head is still hurting a lot.
The medicine will work in 1 hour. The medicine will work in 1 hour.
I slept for 3 hours. I slept for 3 hours.
How do you feel now? How do you feel now?
A little better than before. Little better than before. I feel a little hungry now. I feel a little hungry now.
That is a very good sign. That is a very good sign.
Here is your soup. It is hot.
I feel warmer after drinking the soup. I feel warmer after drinking the soup.
Good. The medicine is working well. Good. The medicine is working well. I will cook lunch today. I will cook lunch today.
Do you know how to cook rice? Do you know how to cook rice?
I turned on the stove. I turned on the stove. Now I am washing the rice. Now I am washing the rice. I put the rice in the pot. I put the rice in the pot. Now I am cutting the vegetables. Now I am cutting the vegetables. The onions are making me cry. The onions are making me cry. Here, try a spoonful first. Here, try a spoonful first.
Oh. This is actually very tasty.
I need to take a bath now. I need to take a bath now.
The towel is in the bathroom. The towel is in the bathroom.
I know. I put it there myself. I know. I put it there myself. The water is very cold today. The water is very cold today. I finished my bath. I feel fresh. I finished my bath. I feel fresh. I hung the clothes on the line. I hung the clothes on the line.
I woke up and I feel much better. I woke up and I feel much better. My head does not hurt anymore. My head does not hurt anymore.
Thank God. I was so worried. Thank God. I was so worried. Be careful. Stand up very slowly. Be careful. Stand up very slowly.